Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert text to column in Excel. Here you can see there are two sets of data. One is here and other is here. In this data, you can see the names are written and they are separated with space between them. And here in this column you can see the names are written and they are separated by the sign ampersand. So we will learn how we can convert these text into columns. So to convert it, first of all select the data and go in data tab. And here you can see the option text to columns. Click on this and here you can see there are two options here, delimited and fixed width. I will select delimited and click on next. Here you can see it is asking you on which basis the data will be separated. So here as you can see there is space in all names, so I will click on space and click on next. And here you can see destination. So you have to define whether you want to show it in the B4. B4 mean where this data is originally situated. So I will select the destination here. So can the original data may be kept in text. So click on here and click on finish. You can see the data is converted into column. So here you can see this data is separated by ampersand sign. First of all select the data and go in data tab and text to column. And you can see already delimited box is checked, so click on next. And here you can see there are options of tab, semicolon, comma, space. As ampersand sign is not written here, so click on other and write ampersand sign by shift 7 here and click on next. And again define the destination by clicking anywhere where you want the columns and click on here. And in the end click on finish and you can see the data is separated into columns. So this is how you can convert text into columns in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.